I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do the Kraken puzzle in Fisch. To unlock the Kraken pool, you must solve a series of 5 mythological clock wheel puzzles located throughout the Atlantis region. These puzzles involve setting a clock hand to a specific symbol. Getting them right is crucial, as incorrect answers can have consequences. Let's dive into the solutions for each clock to help you gain access to this exclusive fishing spot. First, head to the Zeus trial area. Here, you'll find a clock wheel that needs to be set to the purple moon symbol. Next, make your way to the Poseidon temple. The clock there requires you to select the black scythe symbol. Remember to use the left and right arrow buttons to carefully rotate the clock hand to the correct image before confirming your choice. Continuing your journey, locate the Sunken Depths clock. For this one, you'll need to set the hand to the blue harp symbol. Afterward, proceed to the Ethereal Abyss, where the clock requires the orange helmet symbol. After aligning the hand with the correct symbol for each puzzle, always press the red button underneath to finalize your selection and avoid any mistakes. Finally, once the first 4 clocks are solved, head to the Kraken pool entrance. There, you'll find the last clock wheel, which needs to be set to the red spear symbol. Successfully completing all 5 puzzles will open the path to the Kraken pool, allowing you to catch the elusive Kraken. Don't forget to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.